Good morning. I'm out here at the Aurora Highlands newest master plan community out here, just probably 10-15 minutes south of the airport. Wonderful location. I'm touring the model homes. You'll be able to see on my YouTube channel the video walkthroughs of those, but a little bit about this master plan community. It will be the largest community in Denver. The amenities that go along with this place are so numerous, but to give you a few, they're going to have zip lining, rock walls, just a wonderful community center for you to gather with friends and family. I'm really excited to show you these model homes by Richmand America, and come along.
Thank you for walking through the Onyx with me today. If you're ready to start your home search, head to my website, JoanGsellsCO.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.